Hello everybody, I'm Dion from Steamarts. Okay, today I'm going to share with you one of my services, 18-step sanitization. It's a maintenance service for owner who love the car and their family. Okay, behind this one is a Rolls-Royce Ghost EWB edition. It means extended wheelbase. Okay, so interior is like bigger a bit lah. Okay, so this owner, okay, every 1 or 2 months he will engage me, okay, to upkeep his car to the best condition it can go. Okay guys, this is the interior for the Rolls-Royce. You can see from the front and the rear side, okay, the condition of this car is really 10 upon 10. Okay, regular maintenance, upkeep of the car is always there. Okay, but of course, to the owner, visual is not only the part he's looking into. Okay, he also looking for sense, for sense and the feel of the car. That's been, he just want to make sure that he don't want to smell any bad odor from the car itself. Okay, no air freshener is placed inside the car, so no odor at all. You want the whole car to be neutral. Okay, secondly is you want to make sure the surface is clean. That's means you don't want to feel something like itchiness here and there. So this is the basic maintenance service I will be providing during the 18-step sanitization service. Okay, so yep, I'll show you another part over here. This is one of the parts will be included in the service. Light refurbishment for the whole entire interior. Okay, all this kind of things sometimes is caused by when going out of the car or going down the car, those kind of shoe, handbags, those kind of paint, color transfer stain on the panels. Okay, this is very common, but will be removed during the services. So at the end of the day, when I hand over the car to the owner, I'll make sure I deliver a clean, fresh, odorless, okay, hygiene-ready, and the whole car look as good as new from the first day you drive our showroom.